Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. I am back with some happy mail. This special mail comes from Kim, from Kim's Inspired Life here on YouTube. If you're not familiar with Kim's channel, make sure to check it out. She is an amazing crafter. She has wonderful vlogs. I'm still catching up with her videos. I see that she has recently gone to Hawaii, one of my favorite islands. I'm so jealous, but I am currently watching that and I'm still catching up. She has some wonderful content, Tea Tuesday, you name it. She also does some swaps and is a wonderful supporter of so many crafty channels here on YouTube. But let's look at this beautiful box that she's decorated here. And look at that polka dot and all these pieces that she has decorated on there. So let me open this up and show you what Kim has. Oh my goodness, look at this, guys. This is super cute. It says, "You're some kind of wonderful" over here. But how adorable is this? It says, "Happy birthday." I love that it looks like a piñata. And then I saw these mini little bunnies. They are so adorable. Talk about wonderful little packaging here. I love the spring feel to it, the Easter vibe. That is so adorable. Look at these cuties. Oh my gosh. Definitely going to use that for our Easter decor. But let us pull out some of these pieces. I just want to make sure that I find her card. Look at these fun pieces she's also shared. Oh, I love that. Always can use this in your bag, and I love the sentiment there. I want to read her card. I think this is the card, or not. Hold on. Let me see. Look at that. Beautiful. Let me read this first. One sec. Thank you so much, Kim. That was such a beautiful message. And she's included in this envelope some beautiful scalloped heart little die cuts. How fun are these? And I'm definitely going to be using this in my journals. How pretty is that variety there? This is only part of what she sent me. This box is filled. I just want to see what else was in this envelope. Oh my goodness, is this the ATC card? I think this is an ATC card. I am going to open it from the bottom here so I don't ruin this beautiful little bag topper. Look at that. That's how she used these little pieces with the candy. I love it. So let me open this real quick. Here it is, guys. Look at that. It says celebrate and it says a little note. I love the dimensions that she's added to this, and it looks like we have a little piece here on the back. Love the florals, and look at these miniature little gem or like little flat back little dewdrops. The heart and the bow, this is just adorable. I love it. And I'm going to put this box aside so we can have a better look at everything that she's created for this challenge. So I'm going to put that aside. I am very intrigued by this box, but I think I'll open this for last. It says happy birthday. Look at how fun that is. And I hear some items might be in there, so we will put that aside and look at the item that she sent me first. Here is a shaker. I love this St. Patty's shaker card. And she has a bunch of those lucky clovers in there with the heart. That is a really fun idea. She has some wonderful tutorials of how she makes some of her crafty projects. So make sure to check that out. I just love this. This is super fun, Kim. And I spy with my eye a mini pocket letter. Oh my gosh, look at this. Come here, bunnies. So we can put the bunnies over there. But how sweet is this mini pocket letter? It says hello. We have this gorgeous bow here. A little cross with a little prayer, it says. And then she's layered it with some gold doily. I love the flower and the colors. Look at this beautiful butterfly. How cute is that? I love that vintage image. And then we have our lucky clover here. Now, she's also added some of this beautiful scrapbook paper. Cute little ribbon there. And on the flip side, she has added, oh my gosh, so many goodies. I see this first, I love tea time. And we have some information here on the back. So let me just read it off camera. So Kim's channel is Kim's Inspired Life. You can also follow her on Instagram at Kim and Raleigh. Birthday's November 27th. Fave colors are black, white, and pink. Crafty goal is use the scraps, love pockets and envelopes, and coffee. How cute is that? She has sent me some ginger peach happy elephant tea, which I have never tried, so I'm super excited. I love peach and ginger. And in the pockets she has included, my goodness, already so many fun items. Oh my gosh, look at this cute mouse. Hold on. I don't want to show her private information there. But how adorable is this cute little mouseling? That's a sticker. I love that. She's shared some of the butterflies, and I love the die cut of these beautiful tags. They're double-sided. Here's another one. I love the colors. Super fun. And what a great way, like she said, use up your scraps. That's a great way to use it. We have our glitter clover. And it looks like this spells love. We have our ticket in mint. I love this, and I love this. It says St. Patrick's Day greetings. Beautiful view there. You can journal on the back. We have a vintage postcard themed card here. How fun is that? And on this side, she's included some adorable bunny die cuts. Look at these colors, pink and mint. I have never seen this type of die. I love that. Cute little bunny. And how cute is this one? This is so adorable. I'm going to slide her out. Oh, you can build her. These are like her little blushy cheeks and then her belly. So we'll put that together. So that is going to be a fun item to use for Easter. So far, this is what she sent already. Super amazing. So much goodies. Thank you so much, Kim. But we have one more item to open. Last but not least, we have this super fun little piñata, little piece that she made for me. I love how you made this. I love this tool that you used here. So we're gonna figure this out together and open it up. Oh my gosh. Guys, this is such a fun way to package Happy Mail. Alright guys, I opened it up here and there is a bunch of yummy candies. I have a sweet tooth and this is amazing, but I'm not going to take it all out. I want to show my daughter Emmy how wonderful this piñata looks, and maybe she can help me kind of open it up together and we'll look at all the treats. One of the candies that she has added is a mango candy. We have some of these chewing gums by Canel, and then hard candy by Coastal Bay. What a super fun idea. Oh my gosh, I can't wait for my daughter Emmy to see this. Thank you so much, Kim. That is so much fun. And again, here's another look at this beautiful pocket letter that she sent me. The ATC card. The wonderful extra goodies that she has also shared, these cute bunnies, and also this awesome shaker here, and these wonderful die cuts that she has made and shared. Thank you so much, Kim, for this beautiful entry. Again, make sure to check out Kim's channel as well. And this is a great way to find new content and also support our fellow crafters here on YouTube. Again, Kim, thank you so much. Thanks again for watching Karamia's Corner. See you next time. Bye.